Hey everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to change keyboard language on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7. So open your settings, scroll down, click on to General Management. Just open it and you get Samsung keyboard settings. Press on and then showing it to language option. Okay, select any language, or if you want to add your mother language, press on to manage input language and select all language. Just press on to download, press on download. Okay, then I'm get this option. Just press on to select. Now change my language. Okay, or the another way, open your keyboard. Okay, I'm open my keyboard, press on, then change my, when I'm click on to change easily language. So that's it.